Hello, this is Maria from smartphone-biz-news.com. We're here at the Mobile World Congress with Niklas from Polystar. Hello, Niklas.
Hello.
Thank you very much for receiving us. Can you tell me a bit about what Polystar does and what your specialty is?
We do actually two different things. One part is test systems for basically vendors. Our customers are like Ericsson, Nokia, Alcatel. People that are actually making the networks. So we are network testers, and we try to push them to the limit by simulating a lot of users that send SMS, make calls, etc., and verify that everything works. We do this during development, but also in live networks. So this is the basic concept.
Excellent. And where have you been testing this so far? How is it working?
We are quite worldwide. We have installations in Americas, in China, in India, in Europe. So I would say that all the manufacturers the major manufacturers that exist today have our system in their labs.
So you would say you're one of the main providers worldwide, or is there some other competitors?
Of course we have competitors, otherwise it would be kind of nice, but yes, we have competitors. It's quite a few, but we, for instance, within Nokia's and Ericsson's lab, we generate between 60 and 70% of all the test calls. So we are quite big. What you see here is our test GUI, and the concept is this: we try to not make things complicated, make it easy. The legacy or the history of testing is that everybody's doing scripting and everybody's doing everything manual. So what we have tried to do is make it as easy to use as possible. So normal training to get the system up is 1-2 hours. And then I can probably make you run the system in like 5 minutes. So what you see here is where should we make the call? BSC is a node in a GSM network. So we can have multiple, in this case it's actually 2 configured, and we decide how many users and what phone numbers and IMSI numbers from the different SIM cards. So what we do, we decide this, and we decide what kind of codecs and things they should use in their call scenarios. If we should simulate handovers and other things, a lot of things we can do. Basically everything a normal user do, we can simulate. And basically it takes 5-10 minutes to set up the call scenario the customer want to test, and then you more or less press start, and you can make this very, very complicated, or you can make it very, very easy. So you can either have a simple scenario, everybody's doing the same thing, or you can have a complex scenario so it looks like the real world. So you can say that 9 o'clock we have a peak, and then it slows down, lunch again a new peak, or like there's voting for Idol on TV, and everybody has to send SMSs, or everybody sends for the peak hours. What happens when there is peak hours? So the operators and the vendors, they want to know basically if their system can handle the pressure during this high load sequence. And since the mobile network has a need of more I would say quality than a normal PC. If a PC has a problem with the operating system, it's just rebooted, it will work again. If that was the case in a mobile network, it will affect millions of subscribers. So it has to be really, really, really reliable. So normally we would say that spend several months of testing before they find all the problems and all the bugs in the system, before they release it to customers to use.
Okay, well, makes us customers feel a lot safer.
Yeah.
Tell me, what expectations do you have for this year, 2010?
2010 is, I would say that everybody has a high hope for this year. We did actually not have a bad year last year or even the year before. So for us, we just continue to grow, I think, and we continue to expand the product portfolio. We have a limited portfolio that fits in just some places, and we're trying to expand it to fit in more places. Of course, we are following the trend with 4G and the new technologies. So that's what we're going to release this year.
Wonderful. Well, I wish you the best of luck, and thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you.
Now we're with Ola, who's also from Polystar, and he's going to be telling us a bit about his technology. Hello, Ola.
Oh, hello.
Very nice to meet you. Can you please tell us a bit about how your service differentiates what we've just been seeing?
Okay. our product is more aimed for telecom operators, and they use it in a daily work for finding errors in the network, and to also to send those errors to vendors or to other operators, so that they can fix the problem. And for instance, here it's a tool used for troubleshooting. So we could just scroll this, and here on every line here it's a call. So in customer help desk, for instance, if you can't call Poland, you can call your operator and complain, I can't call Poland, and then they add your number and apply a simple filter, and they will instantly find your call. And they can also find why it didn't work. So if I stop this, now it's working. Okay. So in here we can enter your number, and we can find all the calls correlating to that.
So who's using this technology right now?
It's we have 95 customers around the world. Majority of them are mobile operators. And they are used very wide in the organization. So it can be people involved in customer care, engineering, new development, also sometimes legal, to find criminal, who they are calling, and what SMS they are sending, and so on. Yeah.
So what are we seeing in the screen right now?
Right now you see a lot of calls. This is real time, showing every call that is going on. And in a network, this could be from one of our customers, and I just stop this, and then we can drill down to a call and see all messages that made this call happen. So it's a lot of messages going on in the telecom network, and those messages is like, "Hello, I would like to call another number," and once there is a speech channel, it's like an agreement, and then the speech is going. So when you pick up the phone, there is a message sent. When you drop the phone, it's a message sent to cut down the call. And this is also valid for all the mobile applications now. So if I start to surf, there is messages setting up this surfing feature, and we are also counting all the packages and so on. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, and how about your expectations? Well, what are you expecting for this year?
I think it's a good year. I mean, last year was really good, and this year will be better. And we have a lot of pre-arranged meetings with existing customers, but also customers, not yet customers, but I hope to have them as a customer this year. Yeah.
Wonderful. Well, we wish you the best of luck for the World Congress, and enjoy Barcelona.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.